So hi, I have here Kenneth. Kenneth, message mo naman yung mga supporters mo.
Hello guys, sa lahat ng tumulong sa akin, to all my supporters and to all my pageant fans, thank you so much dahil you've been my inspiration during my pageant journey. And thank you so much sa lahat talaga kasi hindi tayo magiging fourth runner up kundi dahil sa inyo. Kaya thank you so much and I hope na they, this will be my end on my pageant journey. Ay suportahan niyo pa rin ako sa kahit anong gagawin ko sa buhay. Ingat lang always and God bless us all and may we all win in life.
So what if may mag-open na door sa showbiz, ano ka naman, you're not closing any ano naman? Or you're willing to grab any opportunity meron pumasok ka na?
Yes naman po, yun naman yung always uh, nasa heart ko na kung kahit anong gagawin ko sa buhay, as long as it's God's will for me, then I will do it. Wala naman akong door na sinasarado. Kaya open for opportunities and for more success in life.
How about in terms of pageantry? Are we expecting a new Kenneth in a different pageant world? Like ano ba, mag-join ka pa ba? Or, yan?
Um, it's so sad po to say that this will be my last. And siguro, I'm very fulfilled. Fulfilling na po yung naging end ng pageant journey ko sa Supra. And very memorable for me. And siguro, ito lang yung parang naging answered prayer ko during my pageant journey na sana makapasok ako sa top 5 and makapag-share ako sa story ko sa buong mundo. And I think I did it. I'm already mission completed. So, yun. I think this will be my last. And I'm so happy to be here. And I hope na whatever happened, whatever come what may, I hope it's God's will for me as what I've said.
Okay, so our Mr. Supranational 2025 fourth runner-up, Kenneth. So, yun lang po. Thank you po sa mga viewers natin.
Bye-bye guys!